Hi everyone! In this video today I'll be unboxing the Advanced Audio Accessport Lite, which is a USB-C DAC and supports up to 24 bits and 192 kHz of frequency response. So this is the back of the box. It says high-res 24-bit 192 kHz music playback. It's a USB-C DAC, no batteries required, of course, because it's powered by the same USB-C port. And you can see the sides of it. It says that it uses proprietary high-resolution technology, and on the other side it has a message there. And so yeah, let's start by opening the box. So we have to break this to open it. So very carefully I'm going to break the seal. There we go. Alright, and now I'm going to take it out. Alright, so we can see the contents here. I'm going to be taking them out. This is useless, and here it's the DAC itself. Let's see what else is here. This is the warranty card that comes with it as well. So we have the box, the warranty card, and now let's take a look at the USB-C DAC. Wow, it's small, as you can see. It's small. You can see this is the USB-C port here. It says it has the branding Advanced Audio, high resolution 24-bit and 192 kHz. On the other side it is the same, and here you can see the 3.5 mm audio jack. So it's a pretty simple DAC. And it should be compatible with this audio player that I have here. If I just connect the USB DAC here on the USB-C port, it should support it, but I have to turn it on, of course. And I have here my Hi-Dis MS4 headphones using a balance cable, and then I have here the FIIO 2.5 balance cable to 3.5 jack, and this way I should be able to just plug it in here and see if it works. And you can see that it says here it has a USB DAC connected, and if I remove it here and you say it said USB DAC disconnected, if I connect it, it will say that it's connected, USB audio device connected. So yeah, it's compatible with these kinds of device. It's also compatible with phones, and I'll be taking a listen to it to see how well it performs. So yeah, pretty much this is the Advanced Audio Accessport Lite. I got it as an add-on to the Accessport Air, which is their new Bluetooth adapter. This is the Accessport Air. I'm going to be unboxing it after this video, and this was a Kickstarter campaign, and when they sent us the backer kit survey, I added the Accessport Lite to it so that I can have another USB-C DAC as well as the Bluetooth DAC that we see here. So yeah, this pretty much concludes this unboxing video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on this, share it with your friends, and thank you for watching.